As I told you, numerical informations collected are called data. If we collect data in the ungrouped form, it is called a raw data. Raw data. The data collected in the ungrouped form. For example, a group of students were asked to say their subjects they like. They said like this: art, then maths, art, science, English, art, maths, science, English, science, maths, arts, English. Suppose this we collected this data. It's not in the numerical form, but certain statement. This is also data. This data is a raw data. This data is a raw data because it is in the ungrouped form. How can we group this? How can we make this into a grouped data? To make this into grouped data, we can do this. First, we can tabulate this. First column, subject. Second column, tally mark. Third column, number of students. Subject, we can list first. List the subject: art, maths, science, English. Now first read the raw data. Art, cut it. Put a tally mark. Tally mark a small line. Then second read maths. Then put a tally mark against maths. Again art. So second tally mark in the art against art. Science. Then mark tally. English tally. Art again third. Maths second. Science. Then English. Science, maths, art. Fifth, we put the fifth tally as the diagonal. So collectively we can count it as 5 easily. To count this easily, make like this. Art. Then English. Then tally mark this. Write the total of the tally marks in the number of students column. How many? 5. Here 3. Here 3. 5. Total 60. This number of students of each subject, those who like art, how many of them? Those who like art, 5 students. How many like maths? 3. Science 3. English 5. This 5 is called the frequency of art. Frequency. This number is called the number of students here who like art. 5. This 5 is called the frequency. 3 is the frequency of maths. Science, 3 is the frequency of science and 5 is the frequency of English. So this, we can tabulate this. This is called grouped frequency table. This is the grouped data now. So we can simply write like this: subject and without marking tally, subject and number of students. Subject art 5, number of students. So subject and frequency. Subject frequency. Art 5. Maths 3. Science 3. English 5. Total 60. This is the grouped frequency table. Grouped. The grouped data. This is only regarding the statement. So we can do this in this manner. The data given without the grouping is the ungrouped data or raw data. Ungrouped form is called raw data. Raw data can be grouped in this manner. Subject, tally mark, number of students. Now, try these questions of page 72. Try these questions of page 72. Now let us consider some numerical data. Numerical data. Students of a class ranging from 0 to 100 marks. 0 to 100 marks. And given us like this 10, 17, 38, 56, 35, 91, 72, 86, 59, 23, 36, 41, 100, 72, 36, 42, 42, 61, 72, 68, 90. Suppose these are the marks scored by 20 students. 20 students in a class. These marks ranging from 10 to this, which is the least score 10, highest number 100, 10 and 100, 70, 8 also. Instead of 70, let us say 8. So the least score is 8 and the highest score 100. Instead of 100, we can take 99. 99. Now this is an ungrouped data or raw data. We can make this group or grouped data in this form. We can instead of writing listing. In the previous case, we listed subject, science, maths, like individually. But here it is not easy to list all the marks like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 till 100. If we list like this and write the number of students on the other side and tally mark, it is very difficult to analyze such a data to understand the things. We cannot analyze the data easily. So, what is the aim of grouping a data? To study the data, to get the answers easily from the ungrouped, easily from the data. If it is in the form of ungrouped or raw data, which is very difficult. For example, how many students got greater than 50 marks? It is not easy to find the answer to this question from this data. Instead, if we group this, we can easily pick out the answers of such questions. So, we can group this data. This process is called organizing the data. Group. For that, we can take a group of data, groups into different groups. That is from 0 to 10. Make one group. 10 to 20. 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. We can make small groups of these numbers from 0 to 100. 0 to 100 because the least score here is 8 and the highest 90. Highest 90. So we must include 8 highest 99. 88 and 99 in different groups. So grouping. What is the peculiarity of this grouping? What is important there? 0 to 10. That is the marks from including 0. Ranging from 0 to 10 means in this is called a class interval. Class interval. This is the first class interval, second class interval, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. In each class interval, the number of marks included is same. The number of marks. How many marks are included in this? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 is here, but 10 here is also. 10 is here also. 10 is here. So to avoid the confusion, we must include 10 in the second class interval. Here we must write 10 as the limit of this. This limit is called upper class limit. Upper class limit of the first class interval. This is called the lower class limit. Lower class limit of the first class interval. So upper limit is excluded from that class interval. That number is not included here. So how many marks are included here? From 0 to 9, 10 marks. What are the marks included in this class interval? 10 to 19, 20 is excluded. So how many scores are there in this class? 10. Here also 10, 20 included, 30 excluded. 30 in the next class interval. So 20 to 29, 10. That means all these class intervals are of uniform width. That is, number of scores included in each class interval is called width of the class or size of the class. Size or width. Class size or class width. Class size or class width. What is the class size of this class interval? 0 to 9, 10 scores. Here 10 to 20 means 10 to 19, 20 is excluded. So 10 scores. So size of the class interval is 10 here. Here also 10, all these. So in a good frequency table, in a good classification, we must take the uniform class size for all the classes. In a particular classification, in a particular table, each class interval is taken with the same class size. All these are of uniform class size. What is the class size of each class? Here 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, etc. Don't take first class interval of class width 10 and the second class width 5. That is not a good way of classification. So upper class limit. What is the upper class limit of this one? This class interval 30 to 40, 40. Lower class interval 30. 30 is counted in this class interval, but 40 is not included in that class interval. It is included in the next class interval. Now, so class interval. Class interval is important terms. Class interval, upper class limit, lower class limit, size of the class or width of the class. Now, first column class interval, second column tally mark. Tally mark, class interval, tally mark. Tally mark, number of students or frequency. Number of students. 0 to 10. 0 to 10. We list right the class interval. Then first read the first score 10. 10. Cut it. 10 is included here, not here. So mark a tally in the second class interval. Next score 8. 8 is included in the first class interval. 38. 38 between 30 and 40. 56 between 50 and 60. 35 between 30 and 40. 91 between 90 and 100. 72, 70 and 80. 86, 80 and 90. 59, 59. 23, 23. 36, 36. 41, 41. 99, 72, 36, 36, 42, 42, 61, 72, 72, 68, 68, 90, 90. So now number of students or frequency 1, 1, 1, 4, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. Total 1, 2, 3, 7, 9, 11, 13, 16, 19, 20. Total 20. Total frequency 20. 20. We can make this as a table. And this table is called grouped frequency distribution table. Grouped frequency distribution table. Grouped frequency distribution table. What are the important aspects of grouped frequency distribution table? Class interval, tally mark, frequency or number of students, upper class limit, lower class limit, size of class interval. Remember all these terms. And then read textbook pages 69 to 76 and try try these questions of pages 73 and 74. Thank you.